What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy here, and today I'm going to try and make a latex mold for this cat ornament. This is my first attempt, and it's been a while since I've done any research on how to do this, so see how it goes. It's not the best brush, is it? Must be a brush here somewhere. So I've got some silicone, some liquid latex rubber here for casting. Got some silicone spray here, which I'm going to spray on the cat just to release it, for releasing it. I think that's what you use. This is my first attempt, so probably won't, I don't know, see how it works out. Looks about right, I think. I think people use like talking oils there too, but not sure 100%. Oh, that smells weird, man. That seems a bit runny, eh? I don't know if it should really be running on the thing, moving around on the... It smells like fish. So we've kind of covered that. Kind of looks a bit patchy, but it's probably how it looks. Don't know. It's formed like a bit of a puddle in there. I guess I'll try to get that out. Suppose that will do for now. We'll see. Come back in an hour or two maybe and do another coat. Probably put it somewhere actually a bit more out of the way. So I've just put the third coat of latex on now. I am waiting just until I can touch it and it's dry, until I apply the next layer. It's taking like a few hours to dry. I suppose that probably depends on the time of year. Also, in between each layer, I take this brush that I'm using to paint it on, and I rinse it out. It's kind of hard to see because it's so dark, but the latex is kind of like building up more in these kind of holes. So I don't know how that will work out. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. Apparently you have to do a layer. Within the next 24 hours, and then once you've done your final layer, you leave it for 24 to 72 hours apparently to let it dry completely, and then it's ready to go to be taken off. So yeah, see how it goes. Probably going to do a few layers a day, so it should be ready in about probably like 4 or 5 days, I guess, maybe a week. See how many layers I need to do and stuff like that. But yeah. Alright, so it is about 10 days now I've been doing this for, and I think I've put on about 20, maybe 20 layers, and it's starting to thicken up quite well on like the body part, but not on the face so much. And I think it's kind of like running down off the face because it's on like that kind of an angle. It's kind of running off the face, I think. So I'm probably going to put on another 10 layers or so, and we'll see how it looks then. I've probably used, it's probably getting close to half a container of latex, $20 container, so it's probably cost about $10 so far. Trying to put more on this face. You can see it does run down sometimes, it's kind of hard. It's kind of weird, but yeah, probably put a bit too much on here. It's just running everywhere. Normally I just dab a bit on, but I'll just spread this all out, so it should be alright. So it's been about 3 weeks or so now. Put on about probably 30 or 40 layers. So I'm just going to peel it off today. I've let it dry out for like the last 48 hours, last few days, so see how it goes. Let's try and I've kind of started pulling it up at the base a bit. So I'm just going to go around, try and pull it up. And some went on the inside, which is interesting. Hopefully it slides right off though. It's coming off pretty easy. This part here might be tough. Sweet, that came off easy as. There we have it, latex mould of a cat. Might trim these up a bit. And I'll probably cast it with like concrete or plaster in the next few days, make a video about that. I think I probably wasted a ton of latex. I used about a litre, which was about $20 worth. But yeah, pretty happy though. Turned out alright. I didn't make a fiberglass backing. I'm just going to put it in a like in sand, in a bucket of sand or something, just for the support. hopefully it's small enough to be able to hold itself. It might even be, I might be able to even just cast it like that, I don't know. But yeah, it's my first attempt, so pretty happy with that. Well, I guess I'll have to wait and see how it turns out first. See if it's all good or not, but I'm guessing it should be. Sweet. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys later.